we've got to explain ourselves. Oh dear. Are you going to tell him or am I? Of course she's gone quiet, so it's obviously down to me. Hello everyone. This is the kind of video that is gonna self-destruct within like 48 hours, I reckon. But I just wanted to pop on here because obviously this is not the usual weekly vlog or Sunday morning video that you see from me. I know you don't want to hear the excuses, but I'm gonna tell you because I feel obliged. This week has been crazy busy. Next week I actually have my Sunnyside Christmas launch, and if you run a small business, you probably know that the Christmas launch is like the most critical of the year. It's always the biggest, it's always the busiest, and obviously you only have between now and Christmas to sell the stock, so it is like all systems go. So as soon as the stock arrived this week, I've been in the office every day. I've also had a few other things going on in the background this week, which you'll find out about in due time, but that is basically the reason why I haven't filmed a vlog this week, because I've been counting stock, planning my life, making every graphic under the sun, and it literally got to yesterday, which was Thursday, and I thought, oh my god, I haven't filmed a vlog. One of my besties, Alice, was also supposed to be coming to stay with us tonight. It's Friday I'm filming this, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, but we've also had to postpone that because there has just been a multitude of things that have gone against us. It felt like the universe was saying postpone it, but I think it's worked out for the best because we've also got roadworks going on outside our house at the minute. So another thing, my car is trapped on the driveway, which hasn't made this week easy. Alice is still coming at the end of the month and I'm really looking forward to that. We're going to be filming some videos together then. But yeah, all in all, this week has just been a little bit chaotic. So this isn't the usual video that you see from me, but happy Sunday. I hope you've all had a lovely week this week. Let me know in the comments what have you been up to, because I will be replying to comments today and until this video is deleted, because this is not staying on my channel. I'm not proud of this. It's not funny. It's not clever, but some weeks are just weeks like this. So yeah, I hope your week has been less chaotic than mine has, and I will for sure be back next Sunday with a weekly vlog. Or if you have any other video suggestions that you would like to see me film next week, I am open to suggestions. If not, it will be a classic weekly vlog and I'll try and make sure it's a bit longer for you, just to make up for the lack of content from me this week. But anyway, I'm sure you'll all understand and I'm sure you're all going to be really lovely in the comments. So thank you in advance. Have a lovely week next week and I will see you again next Sunday with another little video. Bye guys. Love ya.